Welcome to 223 Torrey Bloom Loop, located in the beautiful new community of Grand Central Park in Conroe, Texas. Grand Central Park is a 2,046-acre development located just outside of the Woodlands in Conroe, Texas. With a perfect blend of nature and serenity, distinctive homes, enticing amenities, urban conveniences, and opportunities to explore the glorious outdoors. Grand Central Park is located just 5 miles north of the Woodlands in the city of Conroe. I'm Michelle Harmon with the Michelle Harmon team of RE/MAX Universal. Welcome to our latest listing. This adorable like-new one-story built by Perry Homes has so many upgrades and features. One of my favorite features is the gorgeous glass front doors that open into the spacious and bright entry. Continue to your open and spacious family room with striking wood tile flooring, breathtaking windows, real wood plantation shutters with gorgeous views of the backyard oasis. The stunning kitchen features beautiful quartz countertops, a 30-inch Blanco silgranite sink, a huge island with drop-down pendants, a walk-in pantry, and a spacious breakfast area, and more views of this gorgeous backyard. The primary retreat is private and spacious and features a custom barn door, a serene primary spa enriched with soaking tub, dual vanities, walk-in shower, and 2 walk-in closets. Your guest wing features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 adorable bathrooms. One is currently being used as a study. Your flex room is spacious enough to be used as a game room or a home office. Your utility room, which has ample storage and custom cabinetry, includes upper and lower granite folding countertops. Let's not forget this backyard paradise. With a large covered patio, custom pool and spa, and tons of green space with one of the largest lots in the neighborhood. Don't miss this opportunity to make this gorgeous home yours today. Contact Michelle Harmon team, your local area experts.